Good morning, Ari. On behalf of Boss Motor, we would like to thank you for taking the time to see our product. And also, I'm very happy to present a personal video for you for this beautiful 2010 Honda VT1300. And the kilometers is 3485, and the price is now at 9788 plus HST 13%, government taxes and license. This motorcycle comes with fully safety certified, 2 brand new tires, front and rear. And also this motorcycle comes with extra aftermarket parts, which is a custom mirror and the grips and the nice levers. This motorcycle is available for you. If you want me to secure it, please give me a call, 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.